In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in OneDrive. If you're someone who likes to reduce eye strain or save battery life, then enabling dark mode can be a great option for you. It's quick and easy to do, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to make this change effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This is essential because OneDrive is part of Microsoft's suite of services and requires authentication before you can make any changes. You can do this by going to the Microsoft login page, entering your credentials, and accessing your account dashboard. If you're not yet logged in, be sure to have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate and click on OneDrive. You can typically find it as an option on the dashboard or in the menu of the Microsoft Office homepage. Clicking this will redirect you to your OneDrive storage space, where you can manage all your files and settings. Now that you're in OneDrive, the next step involves navigating to the settings. To do this, look for a gear icon typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will open the settings menu, where you can customize various aspects of your OneDrive experience. Next, within the settings menu, you will need to locate the option labeled Theme. This is where you can change the appearance of your OneDrive interface. Themes are used to personalize your experience by changing the background and color schemes of the user interface. Once you've found the theme setting, the final step is to select and apply the theme you prefer. You'll generally have a choice between light or dark modes. For dark mode, simply click on the dark theme option. This change is usually immediate, meaning your interface will instantly switch to the darker color scheme. Not only does dark mode help in reducing glare and eye strain, especially in low light conditions, but it can also contribute to better battery performance on mobile and laptop devices. Keep in mind that you can always switch back to the light mode if you find it more comfortable. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully changed your OneDrive theme to dark mode. It's a simple yet effective way to make your online workspace more comfortable. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Enjoy your newly customized OneDrive experience.